everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV, and today we're gonna do a double unboxing of this hard to find SLGs that I recently found online. I hope all of you guys are safe as you seek shelter in your own home in these trying times, and we just have to keep the faith, and this too shall pass. To be on the bright side, I will open this small one at first, and I used to have this and I gave it to my son, and let's try to see what is this. So I've noticed that a lot of hard to find pieces are now popping up in the LV website as they close down all the boutiques, and this is it. And this is the key clay in the May Ibin. This is the barcode that came with it. And inside has this hook so we can put our keys. And it looks like this up close and at the back. So I don't know what is this mark. I hope this is not a factory defect, but it looks like this. And my son has the same one. I have this years ago and I gave it to my son, and look what he did to this. It is now not in a perfect form as he put his keys in here, and he has this Batman key fob and his car keys, and he all put it inside. Look at this, guys. Like, it just makes me sad looking at it, but the thing is you just have to use it the way you want to use it. And yeah, he's using it by shoving this all in here and put this in his pocket so that it will not bulge. There. So this is what it looks like when he puts this in his pocket. So comparing it with the Damier Ibin, it looks like this. And I missed it. I bought a different print for me. And this is my son's key clay. So let's open the other one. So I am still working, guys, since I am into healthcare. So I'm still working 3 times a week. But if I'm not working, I just stay at home and do my share in social distancing, or even like locking myself inside the house. So the second one is this, and let's open this. And this is the receipt, and this is the receipt of the other one. Do you know what is this, guys? Based from the size, and this is the new model of pochette accessories. So it is so surprising that it finally being made available online, and I was able to grab one. And this is the strap that goes with it. This, and then see, it's so pretty, and it's just a basic accessory that you have to have in your collection. I am thinking if I really need this, since I have a similar one from my multi pochette accessories, but I just want to have a separate pochette accessories, that I went ahead and grabbed this online. And it has this, I like this additional pocket here, and then just one big hole inside, and this is made in France. Here. And let's put this on. And the other one will be hooked here. The other end. Wear it like this. Or like this. Handheld. We have this strap from the Felice, and I'm going to hook it in here and in here. I let go of my filiche as I can't put as much items inside, but I held on with this chain because I'm planning to use it in my other small leather goods, and I'm glad that I kept it so I can use it in here. It will look like this. I might do a separate video on how to put different straps on this pochette accessories. What do you think, guys? So just let me know. So again, I'm going to show you how will it look like with this multi-pochette accessories that I have. And basically it just looks the same size. So this is the pochette accessories, and this is the multi-pochette one that I have. And you can see, looks like so the multi-pochette has smaller print flower than the pochette accessories, and I think it is a little bit longer here. And the difference is this one has a tab here and this one doesn't have, and this one has both rings here while this one has this. I like the simple look that this has and the versatility that you can use it also with the other straps. So I kept to talk myself out of it not to get this since I already have this, but I don't know, I just want to have both. So when I saw it available, I just went ahead and bought it. And this one inside has also a secret pocket here at the back. But I just want to wear this all together with this mini and this, if I'm going to use this and use this separately. And I'm gonna show you how will it look with this strap as well. If you're going to use this strap, supposing you were able to buy just this strap, because a lot have been popping out selling this separately, so you can also do it here. But let me remove this first. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like with this beautiful military green strap. It will look like this, and then if you want to attach this coin pouch, you can also attach it in here and it will look like this. So it has a different look with a plain ones. I realized that you can also turn this like at the back, so it will look like this. I don't know. Am I being too impractical, guys, to get this while owning this as well? Please let me know what you think, because I'm trying to convince myself that I really need this, but I'm really happy that I was able to get this, since this is very hard to find, and this is always an essential. Like if you travel, you can put stuff in here. At the same time, you can also put a lot of stuff in here and use it as your cosmetic pouch or toiletry pouch. And that's how I convince myself why I am getting this. So it looks like this, guys, with this, and just so happy to have this back. I used to have an old model, and I also let it go since I'm thinking of buying this. And with the toiletry 26 that I have, it looks like this. So it is nice to be able to have small leather goods that if you travel, you can be able to put stuff in here and then bring this to your luggage as well. And if you are also putting things here, so it will look like this all in your luggage. And it just, isn't it nice, guys, to have these little ones in your luggages? It's just happy. happy to have all of this full of stuff when you travel, and only Louis Vuitton lovers will be able to understand the happiness if you'll have a lot of monogram or damier print inside your luggage, and seeing this when you travel, it's like bringing your home with you, right? So anyways, guys, and stay safe again, everyone, and may all of you have a wonderful day. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.